So now we're going to start a new topic, which is talking about types. And so since this is a new topic, let's just review what we kind of already know. We have already thought about data abstractions, and we know that data abstractions kind of have two parts. They have a specification and an internal implementation that is hidden from the outside world. And we know that Java classes are able to represent our data abstractions. So we've already gone through this part of the language. But what we haven't necessarily seen or addressed directly is that Java classes also allow us to define a type. And this is actually what we're doing when we make a new Java class. We're making a new type. So type is something that you will see when you declare a new variable. So Java provides a couple of very primitive types like int and boolean. So you can say int I and boolean b. And those are both declaring variables. This is an I and it's of type integer, and this is a b of type boolean. And if you were stuck just declaring things with int and boolean, it would take you a really long time to do anything at all. So Java lets you use Java classes to define new types. And that is what allows you to say things like integer set, mySet, and declare a mySet variable that is of type integer set. So Java actually lets you, the programmer, define new types that you can use to declare variables. So the other thing that a Java class lets you do is it lets you create an object. And an object, of course, is what you get when you say equals new integer set. So here we have the declaration, and here we have the instantiation. So you can use a type to declare your variable, and use a Java class to instantiate that object. There are other options for types in Java as well. So we have the interface that defines a type, but it only allows you to show the specification of a data abstraction. So it doesn't let you provide any internal implementation. And then we have an abstract class, which again lets you define a type. That means that you can use it on this side. You can use it to declare a variable, and it lets you specify the data abstraction. And it also allows you to provide implementation details for the data abstraction, but you cannot instantiate it, so you can't actually make an object from that. So both of these you can use in declaration, and any Java class you can use for instantiation. And now we're going to talk more about these three options for types, and also look at their relationship, because actually that's where things get really interesting.